Well, hey everybody, Daniel here from Basement Tech. Well, I had a little fun in the basement yesterday and I thought I'd share it with you in this super quick video. I've had this little display. It's a 2 something inch touch color display with an ESP8266 on the back that's made by a company called ThingPulse. I picked this up at a Hamfest naturally, and it's still available on their website, #NotSponsored, for about $25. I think I paid about $10. Well, I decided I should just put it into a little case and use it as a display terminal. So here you can see it kind of fitted into the front of the case that I found on thingiverse.com, credit in the lower right in the last frame. Here I'm printing the back and put it all together and it looks something like this. So far so good. This model actually comes with a base that makes it kind of attractive, and you'll see that in the end. After printing, I thought, well, I'll use my monitoring software and just kind of hack a weather app that they provide, that ThingPulse provides as a little demo for this device, and make it such that I can create a list of topics, MQTT topics, on the Mosquitto data broker that I use for the zimKnives monitoring project, and just display those and set it on the counter, set it on the shelf, and just have quick reference to the environment around me. So no video like this is complete without a time lapse. So here it is printing the base, and to keep the video short as promised, here's just a pretty picture of it all finished. This was a fun little project and it turned out nice, so I thought I'd share it.